Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to use OpenAI Sora 2 for 100% free and unlimited. If you have watched my previous video, see where I compare Sora 2 and other OpenAI. And also, if you are new to my channel, please do wait to check out videos that we have on this channel. We have a lot of OpenAI a lot of AI videos. You can see this one, RIP Sarah 2, and then we'll talk about VO 2.1 and VO 3.1. And you see a lot of other particular videos here that is going to be helpful to you. So you can also just look, look around and add some of the videos to your collection, right? So in this particular video, we're going to talk about how to use Sarah 2 for 100% free without invitation code. So without invitation code, guys, that is what we're going to do. So guys, without do okay, so this is the application we're going to be using to have access to Sora 2, which is called Mind Video. So if you look at here, you see the Sora 2 here, right? So let me select this model. Because when you come here, you can use other model, right? You can use other model, as I said. You can see here I have 23 credits here. And if I click the check in, this check-in, every day that you check in, they give you 2 credits. Okay, as I click check-in now, my credit is going to increase from 23 to at least 25. And then if you click the model section here, this session, you are going to see here. So this is what we are going to use. You see here, the Sora 2 beta for free. That is here, zero. The credit are going to be charging us is zero. Some will charge you 550, but we're going to focus on the zero, right? So if you see the view 3.1, you can see it here, 20 credits, which is the normal credit they charge on the platform, on normal View 3 platform, right? So the only one that reduces View 3.1 Pro, it's 100. Why they're charging 80 here? Discount of 20. So if you come here, see other model, right? You see other ones, so that you can use. But today we are talking about the Sora 2, right? Because it's 100% free. Well, that is what we need. So I'm going to be testing this, right? So I'm going to use a prompt. I think I have a prompt already that I will be using. So let me open my prompt. All right, this is the prompt I have already here. So if you look at here, I've already created this prompt, so I can drop the prompt in the video description so you can test with it, or you can go ahead and then use any prompt of your choice, right? So let me copy. I'm going to copy this particular prompt now. Copy, then come down here, click this box here. On this box, you can see this video I generated previously. So when you click on it here, you paste your prompt. So when you paste your prompt, like moving this. So you select the aspect ratio. So 9 by 16 or 16 by 9. So I'm going to select 16 by 9, right? So make sure that it's on Sora 2 free. Okay, just make sure it's on that. Then you do what? You click generate. And you can see here, this is the video duration, 15 seconds. So you can, let's look. When you click on it, you see 15 seconds. That is what how far you can go. So you can decide to do other changes, but I think if you want AI to work on the prompt for you, but that is not recommended for me because I like to have control over my prompts, right? So just click generate here. The only downside of this using this is that it's going generating video with this particular platform takes little time, or sometimes the waiting period is high. Sometimes you may try, you see that a lot of people are actually waiting, but right now when I try, I think one person is ahead of me, and this is going to stay on queue until you get to your turn. So which takes up to 2 minutes, sometimes 1 minute, maybe sometimes more than 2 minutes. But something free, I think you just need to have the patience, right? Because we are not spending, or we are not looking or searching the internet to spend the whole month looking for invite code. Because I believe that some of you that are watching this video has spent time searching for an invite code, and it seems like it's impossible. So this particular platform has made it possible for you. You don't need to start searching for an invalid code. Just go ahead and use it. And what you just need to do is just give a little time. Guys, your little patience, right? So one thing that I recommend is that if you want to use this to generate multiple videos, then try to, if you're using a laptop then, or computer, just try to have a different Chrome profile. Let's say up to 4 or 5 Chrome profile. Then you open all the tabs. Then what you are going to do is to log in, and then you have your prompt. You enter your first prompt on this, second prompt, third prompt, on fourth or fifth prompt. So by when it's going to take like 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute to be generated, you are going to have at least like total of 5 video being generated at once. So that is my own recommendation, like my pro tips, right? So now I think we're about 50% or 51%. So let's just wait. We're almost there, right? Okay, guys, I want to use the opportunity to ask you to subscribe to my channel while we are still waiting. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe, because I'll actually be dropping an update that is going to be useful, and latest tools are coming on this channel, guys. I have lots of them on my mind that I'm going to be dropping to help a lot of people on this channel. And if you have watched this video to this particular step, um what I want you to do is to smash the like button. And what would that help me? That will help my video to go more viral, to reach more people when you like my video, guys. So please do well to like my video. I will really appreciate, and it's going to motivate me more of the videos, right? That is what is going to actually happen. We're on 75% right now, so we're almost there. All right, we are on 81%. As I said, it did take time. So we are on 81% right now, but we're still waiting because we need to still have patience and keep on waiting, right? All right, on 95%, as I said, 97%, we're almost there. Okay, we just hit 100%. Wow, this is the video, right? So let's just look at what we have right now. You can see the video playing. So let me go put it on full screen. Just imagine. Oh my God.
You disappeared, Julian. You left me with questions and silence. I was. Then tell me now. Do I still? I think you should come. I can't stay away. You disappeared, Julian. You left me with questions and silence. I'm scared of how much you mean to me. Then tell me now. Do I still? Then stay.
All right, guys, you can see the wonderful video that we're able to generate. So, guys, if you find this video helpful, please do wait to subscribe to my channel, as I have said before, so you can receive an update whenever I drop a new video, right? So, this is what you can get with Sora 2. And you can see there is no watermark on this video. And sometimes there will be a watermark, but I have done my previous video showing how to remove the watermark. But if you're finding it difficult, so please, you just need to search for Magic Eraser. Search for Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser will help you to remove every watermark from video perfectly. The only thing you need to do is just upload a video, highlight the watermark or the parts. When you highlight it, then you click erase, then it's going to remove the watermark from your video. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one.